Hello, today I want to review a crane from AliExpress. It's worth it to buy, you will see. So that's the crane. Have a magnet, so you can attach lift weights. The button extend arm, it's too heavy to put weight. This for that won't working hard yellow bits. I need to push them quite hard, so your kid need a help with them. Now it's quite solid. Let's try now. Yeah, now it's stable. Nice big crane. Your kids like lifting the weights. That nice extension for standard crane. It's quite solid build. We have over 2 years this crane and looks not bad at all. Have magnetic couplings. So can be connected. It was not very expensive, maybe about £8, but it's quite nice build, some details. No batteries. So yeah, overall I'm very happy to using that crane. It's worth it if your son play a lot with another cranes. That, as I say, very nice extension. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe this channel. More reviews soon. Thank you. Bye.